Hello students, in this class we will see arithmetic progressions, sum of n terms, formula derivation and all. Introduction to sum of n terms. Before we start on that, I'll tell you a small story about one of the great mathematician, like he's called Prince of Mathematician, who's called Carl Friedrich Gauss. What's his name? Carl Friedrich Gauss. He's called Prince of Mathematicians. He was one of the greatest mathematician along with Newton and Archimedes. Okay. What's the story is all about? When he was 10-year old, when he was 10 years old, he was a naughty student in the class. So what his teacher said, keep him silent throughout the class. He thought he will give on some problem to him and he'll keep quiet for a class duration. What are the problem is add 1 to 100 numbers. Add 1 to 100 numbers. The person, the Gauss, came back quickly and said answer is 50-50. It's not a biscuit 50-50. It's a sum 50-50. Teacher was shocked. Why? How he calculated so early? He fed up with the answer and he asked him again, "Well, how did you calculate?" Then he told, it's very simple, sir. 1, 2, 3, 200, right? 100, 99, 98. So if you add, how much it comes, sir? 101. Sorry, 101. 2 plus 99 also 101. 3 plus 98 also 101. Right? So all these are adding up to 101. And how many times I do? All the calculations is 50. Right? All these additions will go up to 50. 49. So when they add up to 50, it becomes 101 into 50. That is 50-50. He told that. He was shocked. Such a brilliant mathematician he is. Right? So based on this concept, we will find out sum to n terms. See, before sum to n terms, we'll derive formula for this. Sigma n means sum to n terms. It's not related to arithmetic progression. It is normal sum to n terms. Means if you add 1 to 10, how much it comes? 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 or 1 to 50. Like 1 to 100, just now we saw 50-50. That also we can validate. We'll derive a formula for this. Where n is a natural number here. N is a natural number. Okay. So sum to n terms becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dash 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 plus n, right? When you reverse and add it, what it will become is Sn is equal to n plus, this is n minus 1 because n minus 1 will be there, plus n minus 2 plus dash 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 plus 1. This is 1. This, how will you get? Reversing 1, right? We add these two equations. Sn plus Sn becomes 2Sn. You add the respective elements which is written 1 by 1. Means 1 divided 1 and n you have to add. How much it comes? N plus 1. 2 and n minus 1 you add. Plus 2 plus n minus 1 means again n plus 1. 3 plus n minus 2 becomes n plus 1. Okay. Like that, the last number also if you add it will become n plus 1. How many terms are there here? N terms. N times we have n plus 1 because in the series itself we have n itself. Means there are n numbers we are adding. So therefore 2Sn is equal to n times n plus 1 we have. N times n plus 1. Therefore Sn is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2. Remember this formula. This is a formula, sum of first n natural numbers. Calculate. Example, we'll see the examples. Uses of this formula. Find sum of first 50 natural numbers. Answer is, here n is 50. Okay, n is 50. This Sn is also called as sigma n. Remember that. Sigma is for summation. Sigma, this symbol is called sigma, and its meaning or word respective to that is summation. Okay, see, this is the word summation. Okay, coming back to the example, here n is how much? 50. Therefore, sigma n means sigma n is equal to n plus 1 by 2. First, we write the formula. Sigma 50 is equal to 50 into 51 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 25 ja 25 1 ja 25. 25 1 ja 25, 2 carry. 25 5 ja 1. 25 plus 2, 127. Okay. If you don't know that, just multiply this. Okay, 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 5 5 to the 10 plus 2, 12 becomes 5 7 2 1. Okay. Similarly, coming back to the previous question, how Gauss answered that n was 50, right? Find sigma 100. N was 100. Then n of n plus 1, right? Sigma 100 you have to calculate. Sigma 100 is equal to 100 into 101 by 2. 100 into 101 by 2. 2 1 ja 250 ja. 101 into 50 is 50 50. Find this one, sigma 100. Okay. This is very important formula, sum of first n natural numbers. Okay. Now we'll see the actual required for arithmetic progression. Let's see. The same concept we will use how we derived Sn for sigma n. Okay. Now we know, see, you write the heading sum of n terms, sum of first n terms of AP. So far we have seen the last term formula in AP. Now we are seeing the sum of first n terms of an AP. So we know that how AP is. We know that AP looks like, AP means general form of AP is what? A plus D, A plus 2D, dash 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 dash, A plus n minus 1 into D. Alright? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus n minus 1 into D. Last term. If you add, this is general form. What is series? Series means you add them. That is, by adding, we get Sn is equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D plus dash 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 A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, I'll remove that part. A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, this is first one. We reverse it now. How it will look like? A plus n minus 1 into D. Remember, you have to add this to this. Plus, before that, how what it will be? A plus n minus 2 into D. We have to add to this. Okay. Then this you have to add to this person. dash 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 plus the last term is what? A. Means you reverse that. A. Okay. This, how did you get? Reversing 1. Now we add this. Now you have to add this to this only. Sn plus Sn, how much it will become? 2 times Sn. Remember, a plus n minus 1 into d or d. Just check out whatever the underlines are made. You have to add respective terms. A plus n minus 1 into d becomes 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you add, I'll write here, a plus d, you have to add to what? A plus n minus 2 into d. If you open the bracket, a plus d plus a plus nd minus 2d. Hope you're seeing the screen. I'll write the other side, wait, otherwise. So a plus a becomes 2a plus d as it is. Open the bracket and then we'll construct a bracket again. N into d is nd plus nd. Then plus into minus 2d minus 2d. Okay. So 2a plus d plus nd minus 2d. That is 2a plus d and minus 2d becomes minus d. Right. Therefore, taking again d common here, n minus 1 into d. So if you add any two numbers, you always get 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Check out the last one. Check out the last one. I'll write this as in a bracket. Means adding the first one we got like this. The second one also gives us n minus 1 into d. Third one also gives us. Check out the last one. What is that? A plus n minus 1 into d and plus a becomes 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. How many terms such 2a plus n minus 1 into d are there? Means there are n such terms. Okay. Because we are deriving the sum of first n terms, the terms are n times there. So this becomes n of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. That is, this is 2Sn. Therefore, we want formula for Sn. Transpose the 2 to the right side. You get Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Remember, for sum of first n terms of AP. Sum of first n terms of AP is Sn is equal to, remember this formula, try to remember n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. There is another formula for that. Same, if you split 2a, 2a, if you divide, split as a plus a, then n plus n minus 1 into d. Remember that. Just I am splitting here, not here directly. 2a if I divide as a plus a, then n minus 1 into d as this follows. What is this? You know this formula stands for nth term. Nth term means an, right? So I can write in the bracket whatever we have can be written as n by 2 of, remember, n by 2 of 2a I split it as a plus a. I'll take 1a. The other a I combined with n plus n minus 1 into d, which gives us an. So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Okay, this is another formula. Why we need to remember these two formulas means sometimes if you know the an in the AP, directly substitute and find the Sn. If not, you have to find the n and d and solve using the first formula. Okay, these two are very important formulas. Very important. Please remember the derivation. Very simple. Every two terms, if you add these two terms, You add these two terms, you will get 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. These two also 2a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Here also, if anything is there, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n times they are n times. So you just write n of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Transpose 2sn in that 2 to the right side, you get n by 2. So formula becomes n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or if splitting 2a to a plus a, we get n by 2 of a plus an, or an can also be written as L also, okay, means last term. So if this becomes Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus L. What? Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus L. That is also a formula. However, you feel comfortable, try to make use of these formulas in one or the other way based on the given AP question. Okay. We'll see the next class, the problems pertaining to these formulas. Okay. Thank you.